tale about vowel sound using IPA. Present by Jenny Natalia Guevara, semester 1. Sentence written in the IPA. Vowel sounds. The vowels differ from the consonants. We can find the following question. Tongue position. How high in the mouth is the tongue, and which part of the tongue is the highest length? Are the vowels long or short? Rounding. Are the lips rounded or not? Nasal sound. Tongue position. The position in which the tongue is found is described in 2 ways. How long the tongue is, in which the tongue is involved in the production of the vowel sound. In English, the tongue may either be when the speaker produces a u o in beat both intermediate in bet both or low but vowel tongue position. Length. As you may have seen, there are 2 types of I sound in English, placed in 2 different positions. However, for the purpose of the description, what is relevant is not the difference of position, but that of the perceived length of the vowel. That is say, that I is a long vowel and is a short one. The same is valid of U symbol of long. Vowels all have a color. Phonologically, rounding. Vowels may also be different from each other with aspect of rounding if you compare chase with in shows you will see that not only is a front vowel and a back vowel, but is also rounded where is rounded when pronouncing your lips are rounded but when pronouncing the corners of the mouth are much further apart. Nasal sounds are made by releasing sound through the nose. The difference in these sounds is the position of the lip and tongue. It is key important to note that in English we have three nasal sounds: M, in, is produced when a in appears before a k of G nasal sounds. Examples: M, mom, Mary, name, in, Nine, name, Nancy, sing, ring y long. Sentence with the three nasal sounds included. My mom sings. No, the dog is not mine. That ring is mine. Come here now, please. What is your last name? Bring me my name. Jeans. Nancy knows him. Bring the answers to me. Mary sing. That's neat. Learning English is fun. It's fun. Exercise. 15 sentence using IPA. I love you so much. I love you so much. And 2. I'm in. I'm already here. I'm already here. This color is black. This color is black. Black. When leaving home, you must close the door. When leaving home, you must close the door. The children go to school. The children go to school. Next. The chocolate is hot. The chocolate is hot. Next. My mom birthday tomorrow. My mom birthday tomorrow. Next. I do not drink beer. I do not drink beer. Next. I brush my teeth after trying a food. saying, I brush my teeth after trying a food. Next, the blue birds are pretty. The blue birds are pretty. Sin build a house. Sin build a house. I have not the task, but it is almost finished. I have not finished the task, but it's almost finished. Next, I take a break doing work. I take a break after doing work. Next, he has a cat. He has a cat. Next, the bear is very big. The bear is very big. Thanks for your attention.